Hi, this is Usha. Welcome to Rathod's IAS classes. Today in this video, we are going to see analysis of UPSC Prelims 2022, especially from 21 to 30 questions in this video. So now let us see the 21st question. It is regarding crop. Actually, this 21st to 30 questions which are related to our geography. So among the following crops, which one is the most important anthropogenic source of both methane and nitrous oxide? So this question which is mainly demanding about, so which is the crop? So if you are talking, if you have studied about global warming and greenhouse gases, okay, recently seen in current affairs, then you can easily answer this question. So option A is cotton, option B is rice, option C is sugarcane and option D is wheat. So correct option is rice. So this is a very simple question. And next question is regarding system of rice intensification. So actually this is the one important technology which is mainly used to increase the rice productivity and low amount of usage of water. So here system of rice intensification of cultivation, in which alternate wetting and drying of rice fields is practiced. So it mainly results in, first one is reduced seed requirement, yes, absolutely correct. Reduced methane production, yes. And next one is reduced electricity consumption. So we are using low amount of water. So because of this, it will be leading to less amount of electricity consumption. So correct option will be D, 1, 2 and 3. And next question, it is regarding the desert. Okay, so which of the following lakes of West Africa has become dry and turned into a desert? So option A is Lake Victoria. Actually this Lake Victoria is also facing the threat of this drying actually, but it is not completely dried. So many students have been confused with this. Next one is Lake Fagubine, Lake Auta and Lake Volta. So actually this Lake Fagubine, which is located in this Mali, which mainly became dried and turned into desert. So correct option is B. And next question, it is regarding Gandikota Canyon of South India was created by which of the following rivers? So it is also one of the unexpected question from geography, but because we can't remember which river which is making canyon, right? So here option A is Kaveri, option B is Manjira and option C is Pennar and option D is Tungabhadra. So this question is somewhat difficult question. So answer is C, Pennar. Okay. And next question is 25th question. So this is very easy question. So here consider the following peaks on one side and mountains on one side. So this Namcha Barwa, so if you know the location of this Namcha Barwa, then you can easily answer this question. So this Namcha Barwa, it is not located in this Garhwal Himalayas, but it is located in the eastern part. Okay, eastern part. So here you can eliminate this first statement. Okay, first pair. And next one is Nanda Devi. So Nanda Devi is located in this common Himalayas. So this is absolutely correct. And next one is Norkek. So Norkek, it is the highest peak of Garo Hills, not in Sikkim Himalayas. So you can eliminate this. So correct option will be B2 only. And next question is regarding the term Levant. So Levant, often heard in the news, roughly corresponds to which of the following regions? So option A is regions around eastern Mediterranean shores. Next one is regions along this North African shores stretching from Egypt to Morocco, and region along this Persian Gulf and Horn of Africa, and entire coastal regions of Mediterranean Sea. So correct option is option A, that is region along this eastern Mediterranean shores. And next one is very important. Okay, it is regarding the, and they are saying about this, consider the following countries, and they are asking about the borders. So which are the countries share boundary with Afghanistan? So I detailedly discussed about Afghanistan in our map session in our YouTube channel. So there I discussed which are the countries sharing boundary with Afghanistan. So I already said number of times that whenever any country is in news, means you have to see the countries which are sharing boundary as well, right? So here first one is Azerbaijan, it will be not at all sharing boundary. So if you eliminate this first statement or first thing which is mainly given, then you can easily approach the answer. So Azerbaijan, it is not sharing, and Kyrgyzstan is not sharing, but Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan, they are sharing boundary with Afghanistan. Okay, so that option will be C, 3, 4 and 5. And next question, it is regarding with reference to India, consider the following statement. So this question is regarding monazite. Okay, so this monazite is in news because recently in current affairs we studied about this lithium reserves and we studied about uranium reserves. So and also at that time I also made a note regarding this monazite as well. So first statement here is monazite is a source of rare earth metal, Cs. Okay, monazite contains thorium. Yes, so because of this we are mainly planning for this nuclear reactors, and monazite occurs naturally in the entire coastal sands, but we can see this monazite which is high amount in Kerala region but not entire coastal sand, so you can eliminate this. And in India, government bodies only can process or export monazite. Yes, so that option will be 1, 2 and 4, that is option B is correct answer. And next question is regarding this northern hemisphere. So 29th question is, in northern hemisphere the longest day of year normally occurs on, so normally occurs on 21st June. So if you see the options here, they didn't give the directly 21st June. So they played some tricky game here. So first half of the month of June, second half of month of June, first half of month of July and second half of month of July. So 21st June, which mainly comes in the second half of month of June. So correct option is B. And next question, it is very much tricky, and if you know the map then only you can easily go for this question. So Hokera wetland. So Hokera wetland, it is seen in northern Punjab but in Jammu and Kashmir. And this one is Renuka wetland, that is seen in this Himachal Pradesh. Yes. Rudrasagar lake is in Tripura. Yes. And Sastamkota lake, which is located in Kerala, not in Tamil Nadu. So correct option will be 2 and 3. So we have only 2 correct pairs. Option B is correct answer. So this is the analysis of questions from 21st to 30. So in the next lecture we are going to see 31st to 40. So by this I am concluding. Thank you so much.